Welcome you all to today's video, children. This is Spoken English lesson 71. Let us move to the class with some sentences. The first sentence is, wait a minute. When you are doing some work and which is so important, and at the same time someone is asking you for a help or doing some other thing, and if you want to continue the work and you are ready to help them later or commit with them later, you can say wait a minute. Wait a minute means you are going to complete the work and you are asking the person to wait for a minute to complete your work. Okay. The next one, usually we will enter somewhere, whether it is a door of the house or the car. Okay. To welcome someone inside the house or calling someone to the car, you can say get in. Get in means going inside the house or going inside the car or going inside the office. Okay. Going inside the room. Get in. Get in. Okay. So you can say get in. Okay, children, let us move on to the next sentence. The next sentence is, when you are talking to someone but the person is not listening to you and you may feel that the person is not listening to you, you can say them, listen my words. Okay. Listen my words or listen to me carefully or listen my words carefully. Okay. So to grab the other's attention, you can say listen my words. Listen my words means if the person is not hearing your words or not obeying your words, you can say listen my words. Okay. Here we are moving on to the next sentence. Next sentence is, sometimes the children may say lie. Okay. So out of their fear they may say lie. So to get the truth from them, parents will say speak truth. Okay. Speak truth means do not hide anything related to the content. Okay. Speak truth. Speak truth. You can say speak truth. And here we are moving on to the next sentence. Next sentence is, usually we will have our medicines. Okay. In the medicine box, it is mentioned that keep this away from the sunlight. So it should be kept away from the sunlight. To say this, you can say keep away from the heat or keep away from the sunlight. Okay. Keep away from the open area. Okay. So whether it is a medicine or any flammable thing. Okay. Keep away from the heat. And we are moving on to the next sentence. The next sentence is, don't tell lie. It is equal to speak truth. Speak truth means you want the truth directly. Don't tell lie means you are guiding them not to say any lie. Okay. Don't tell lie. Okay. While you are talking about something or arguing about something, you should not say any lie. So to warn the other person, you can say don't tell lie. The next sentence is, this is the last warning. You are saying a person again and again not to say lie or not to mischief, not to behave mischievous. Okay. So when you are giving the warning, you can say this is the last warning. Okay. And the next sentence is, the room is too dark. When you are entering a room in the evening time or the room which does not get any sunlight, the room will be too dark. So to mention that the room is too dark, you can say the room is too dark. The room is too dark. And the next sentence, when we are fighting with someone, we will get angry. So to mention that you are angry with them, you can say I am angry with you. I am angry with you. Okay. I am angry with you. Okay. So I am angry with you. You can talk to me later, you can say. Okay. Hope you understand, children. Practice the sentences in your spoken. Let us meet in the another class. Until be safe and be happy. Goodbye.